Next topic we'll be doing is alkanes and alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes and alkynes are hydrocarbons with carbon-to-carbon double bonds, R2C-CR2, and carbon-to-carbon triple bonds, RC-CR, respectively. They're known as unsaturated hydrocarbons because they have less hydrogen atoms than the alkane with the same number of carbon atoms, as seen in the general formulas below. So, as we learned earlier, the alkane formula is CnH2n plus 2. Hence, the 20 carbon atoms formula will be C20H42. We'll keep the same number of carbons for the next two examples. So alkenes have a general formula, which is CnH2n, which gives you, for the 20 carbon atom formula, C20H40. For alkynes, have a general formula of CnH2n minus 2, which again, using the C20 formula, we end up with C20H38. So as you can see from the table on this slide, for alkenes, the naming process is similar to the alkane process. If you have one carbon, it's methane or methene for this matter. C2 would be ethene, C3, propene, and so on and so forth. Keeps the same with the meth, eth, pro, but, pent, hex, and so on and so forth. You just end it with an ene. How do we test the difference between the alkenes and alkanes? Well, the presence of the C double bond C allows the alkenes to react in ways that alkanes cannot. This allows us to tell alkenes apart from alkanes using a simple chemical test. Bromine water is an orange solution of bromine. It becomes colorless when it is shaken with the alkene. Alkenes can discolor the bromine water, but alkanes cannot. The next slide will show you the process. So, step 1, you get the test tube containing bromine water. Step 2, add the alkene to the bromine water. Step 3, shake. Then step 4, the bromine water should turn colorless, confirming the presence of an alkene. Although ethene is a gas at room temperature, it is used below as an example to show the reaction between an alkene and bromine taking place, which would be C2H4 plus Br2 equals C2H4Br2. The bromine atoms break the carbon-to-carbon double bond and form a C-Br bond. This type of reaction is called an addition reaction, and the addition of bromine to the alkene is called bromation.